shochi, shikiye waipa moyolo, pampani misla sotla ikanochi.
Embongi tapiti koroi tapiti koroi embongi.
Regardless of where you look or in what time period you look, you'll find that humans are always making music, and the music that we make is similar in certain ways too. And this sort of thing might seem obvious to us just because it's what we're used to already. But when we see this kind of global pattern, it suggests that there's something in our biology and in how we humans have evolved that makes it so commonplace in the world. So if some song types like lullabies are grounded in human biology and evolution, does that mean that they can then transcend cultural and linguistic barriers? And if that's the case, are these types of human songs a universal language? So to test this question, what we did is we put together a large archive of 118 recordings of songs recorded all around the world. They were used as dance songs, lullabies, healing songs, and love songs in their original locations. And we recorded these songs from 86 different societies around the globe. So a really diverse set of musical stimuli. And then we took these songs and played them to an equally diverse group of participants. So we have around 6,000 people from 49 industrialized societies and 3 relatively isolated societies. And so in total, we have about 31 languages that these people are speaking. So this is a really diverse, representative group of people. And we asked all of these participants to listen to each of the songs and choose what context that they thought the song was originally used in. And what we found when we analyzed the data that we had was that regardless of where in the world these participants were from or what language they spoke, participants were able to identify dance songs, lullabies, and healing songs, all at above chance levels. We in our lab think that it's because music probably evolved around 2 main functions. One would be in the context of soothing babies, because song is such an honest signal of you actually attending to them and showing them that you care, right? So lullabies may have developed as a really honest signal of affection and being there for your children. So we think that's one way that music may have developed, but we also think that song may have developed in tandem with dance and in creating coalition in human groups. So this would have a really strong evolutionary pressure, right? If you want human groups to be well coordinated, you want to be able to coordinate bodily motion together. You want to encourage things like shared rhythm, synchronizing work, and music just functions as a very efficient way to get people in sync in that sense. I think the main takeaway is that we have evidence that human song is this really fundamental aspect of the human experience and is likely shaped by our biology and human evolution. So this is really something so fundamental to humanity that also seems to unite us in the way that we go about it.